What you're about to see is previews of upcoming videos that will be uploaded on either DIY Auto School, YouTube channel DIY Auto School, or possibly this channel right here, beautiful channel that we call Southwest Riding Custom, SWRNC, my friend Pete. This is a preview of upcoming videos that will be uploaded. Please pay attention to the situation and don't let you get in the situation or the problematic troubles that always arise at Southwest Riding Custom DIY Auto School. And what is going on today with my friend Pete, big mouth guy that he is, cussing, hollering, screaming, and telling the world to go screw theirself, and everybody's a big shit show and everything else going on. Here we go right here. Preview time at SWRNC. My friend Pete. Upcoming videos of the cars you're about to see. I've repeated myself 4 times. Do you get the message, asshole? Get it, do it, and watch it now.
And then the final and last box that we have from CPP for our 1967 Camaro is this box right here that was shipped to us basically just like you see it, tattered and falling apart. And what we have here, we have a brand new leaf spring system for our Camaro. Well, we're finally back on the shit show after 2.5 weeks of not working on it. Waiting for parts. That's right. When you put Weber Progressive on a Volkswagen Beetle, you got to use, you got it, a bus cable and cut to fit. But that really ain't the shit show. Well, it kind of is the shit show because I ordered those cables 3.5 weeks ago and it took them 3 weeks to get the shit here. And I paid for shipping. When I called them up, they fucking hung up on me. Yeah, that's right. That's how these people are. That's how these motherfuckers are that sell this bullshit, these fucking aftermarket parts. They got you by the ringer. Because once they get your money, they don't give a fuck about you. They don't care about, your parts being late or when you're going to get the parts. All they care is about getting their money. Speaking of shit show, we actually have another shit show, or should I say a car that has turned into a shit show. Let's go ahead and look at that shit show. So we got our Camaro here, our 67 UK Camaro. It's been here for going on 8 fucking years. Now we're not going to go into why it's been here for 8 years, but it's not my fucking fault. We're going to go ahead and say that. So we finally, after 4 fucking months, we ordered this shit 4 months ago, the suspension crap. You can see where the rear end is because I've already taken the rear end out. The rear end has been taken out of the car, okay? And that's what we got. The rear end out of the fucking car and the rear end sitting right there next to the car. Why is it like that, my friend Pete? Tell me, what is the big deal? Why are you hollering and screaming? Let me show you why I'm hollering and screaming. This box right here that was shipped to us basically just like you see it, tattered and falling apart. And what we have here, we have a brand new leaf spring system for our Camaro. And this is what we have left right here. So the box got here, it was basically like this right here. I called the assholes on the phone And what do they say? Yeah, we'll get back with you. No one ever got back with me. No one ever did shit. I finally called them and explained to them, I'm missing these parts. These bushings are not in here. I need those bushings. They end up threatening me on the phone that if I don't shut up and I don't listen to what they got to say, they're going to hang up on me and they're done with me. So if I'm mad and furious and upset because I need the parts to finish this guy's car, we waited on those parts for over 3 months, you're telling me you're going to threaten me and tell me not to get mad, not to get upset, and don't even say one word that's going to threaten you, or you're going to hang up on me and we're done. That's what you're saying.
Okay. First of all, I didn't say anything. First of all, let me tell you, we record every call too.
I hear you.
I hear it. Our owner will hear every bit of this.
Okay.
Never once did I threaten you.
You just threatened me and said, you did too threaten me. You said, if you get out of line 1 minute, okay, or whatever, you said it in your words, we're done talking. Now I need these bushings. Let's cut through the crap and give me my parts I need. This fucking guy hung up on me. He fucking hung up on me, and now we are fucked. We are fucked. This motherfucker. After we spent $6,000 fucking dollars, or however much this shit cost, and we waited 4 fucking months, you're gonna hang up on me, a paying customer? Waiting 4 months for parts is one of the reasons this car's been here for 8 fucking years. That's not the only reason, but that's one of the reasons. You notice the motor and tranny ain't in the car either. Why? Because we've been waiting a year for the fucking bell housing kit to get here. That's not here. That's already paid for. So this is the way the FedEx driver dropped it off on my door, UPS or whoever fucking dropped it off. And you see right here, important, upon delivery, check immediately, blah, 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 blah. Well, that's what I did. I called them up and said, I think parts are missing. They never called me back. They never did shit. A couple weeks later, I start building it, and I'm missing these urethane fucking bushings. You know what they said when I called them? They said, we don't sell those. Those come as a kit. We don't know where to get those at. So you basically got them in China. It's a kit that comes from China, and you can't even replace the fucking things after somebody spent $600 for it. You got that right. You heard square. $600 fucking dollars for some leaf springs. 600 big smackers that we paid 4 months ago. And then the guy has enough balls to tell me to shut up or I'm hanging up. I don't like your attitude, and we will be done, and you'll never hear from us again, or whatever the fuck he said. I said, so you're threatening me. I never threatened you. You just threatened me and said, you did too threaten me. You said, if you get out of line 1 minute, okay, or whatever, you said it in your words, we're done talking. Now I need these bushings. Let's cut through the crap and give me my parts I need. This fucking guy hung up on me. I didn't threaten you. All right, you'll be seeing all that in the upcoming video, part 2, on this bullshit CPP crap. Because as of right now, today, they ain't sent me shit. I ain't heard back from them, and I ain't got nothing but fucking junk parts that I can't use that cost $600 fucking dollars, and I'm screwed. Or should I say the owner's screwed? If I don't get these fucking parts, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I've had this car here for 8 years. I'm fed up to here with this shit. I'm gonna put the rear end back in that fucking car with the old fucking leaf springs. The owner can take his car somewhere else. I'm done fucking with it. I don't want to fuck with it no more. And you know whose fault it is? This fucking company right here. This is one of the faults right here. I am sick of dicking around. I'm sick of fucking waiting. I'm sick of having cars sitting in one spot like this for months and years on end. And as far as I'm concerned, it's bullshit. So if this car leaves my shop, it's because of these people right here and their shithole attitude.
Bastard bitch. You're a bastard bitch. 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 Bastard bitch.
Let me show you the other shit show on the real shit show. As I was pulling the old cable out, look what we got for a cable end to work on the gas pedal. Okay? Are you shitting me? Are you giving me a diarrhea fucking throw up action situation right here? Because that's what I'm looking at. Somebody actually took this thing and cut the cable off and put it on there and then diabolically bolted it with one bolt that was very loose, it wasn't even hand tight, onto the throttle pedal. Yeah, sure thing, shit show asshole. So what I did to do it properly is, you can basically see right there, I made my own situation where the cable will actually be free and it's also very tight, and it's actually lined up now with the tube, the throttle tube, and it'll work perfect for the owner. All it takes is a little ingenious ideas to get things going, people. Okay? Making a shit show out of a piece of shit is you know, you're embarrassing me. You're making me look like shit. Alright? This whole day has been a shit show from the beginning. Alright? So, I'm gonna ask you, I'm gonna beg you, I'm gonna tell you, watch for the videos coming up on this piece of shit. I'm sorry. It was a piece of shit. It's not a piece of shit anymore, but you're gonna be very shocked and surprised what I had to do, my friend Pete, to get this shit show in action. And as far as this shit show goes, I don't know what to tell the owner. I'm fed up with it. I'm disgusted. This is how they delivered this stuff. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is fucking ridiculous. I actually keep in the box for proof of verification. You can see where it was loosely, look at this tape, where somebody put packing tape on the end where it busted loose and said, there, we'll send it out that way. There, we'll do that. And then the guy has enough gall to tell me to shut up? $6,000 for fucking months? Shut up or I'm hanging up? You just threatened me and said, you did too threaten me. You said, if you get out of line 1 minute, okay, or whatever, you said it in your words, we're done talking. Now I need these bushings. Let's cut through the crap and give me my parts I need. This fucking guy hung up on me. Unfucking believable. Unbelievable. I'll keep you updated on this. I'll keep you updated on this shit show, definitely. If they send the parts, good for them. I'm not gonna be treated like shit. Okay? It ain't happening. Okay? I paid my money. I waited my 4 months. Don't you get on the phone and tell me to shut up. Bullshit. Okay, great. Just got the front end on. What I need to do now is I need to relocate the fuel filter. Now I want to show everybody this action here. This is made by Spania. Beautiful filter, look at that. Alright, the housing on this thing is immaculate. Look at that. We got a replaceable filter. You can buy that straight directly from Spania Racing. The owner suggested that he didn't want the hard line. Look what we got here. We got a hard line. He wants AN fitting lines. So let me show you something else. Look at all the fittings that come with this filter. Alright, look at that. Alright. This is going to match up with anything, any size, kind, and shape, form of what your fuel system might have. It's got O-rings already installed. And you can see the recess right there in the filter itself where the O-ring sits. So if you're looking for a filter that's going to keep your fuel system clean, sparkling clean, cleaner than sparkle clean, check out JackSpaniaRacing.com because they got the filter for you. This is what I use on every car I build right here. This is the system I use to keep my fuel clean on every car that leaves my shop. Make sure to check the description for all the promo codes that Jack's going to give you if you order one from this ad right here of my friend Pete, your friend Pete, everybody's friend Pete, telling you the truth that this is the best filter on the market.